Hello viewers, this is Sajidz Hassan and you're watching Sajidz Tech. Guys, in this video I'll quickly show you how you can make and MixItUp for your website, and I'll show you guys. Here I have already made a MixItUp for you, and this is the demo, and I can make it more better, and you can also make it more better. So guys, stay tuned with me. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel if you are not a subscriber, and if you are already a subscriber, so thanks a lot. So get started. First of all, what I have to do is that just go to here in the get started from here, and in the get started from here we need to just download some file. So just go to here in the GitHub, and I just open my link in the GitHub, and from here you need to just go to in the clone and the download, and here just click on the download save, and you will get a file and you need to just download it. And I have already downloaded, and you can get a zip file here, and here this is the zip file. I have just extracted it, and it is the MixItUp too. And from here there have a lot of file, and from here you need to just go to here in this src, and here this is a plugin jquery.mixitup.js, and here I have another file. Go to the build, and this is the jquery.mixitup.min.js. There are two files, and from here you can use any one. I require you to use this because this is the minified version and it is so small. So I just copy each file from here, and I just take it here in the MixItUp tutorial. And here this is my folder, and I have already take my index.html here, and the jquery.to.min.js. this is the library file, and without this file you can't run your jQuery because this is the library file. So I just open it with my this text editor, and here we will start our work. Just go to here in the script script to link up my MixItUp, my jQuery here. This is my jQuery minified version. This is my jQuery library file, and I just already add my here the jQuery.mixitup.min.js. this is the another file, and here just go to in the style, and just go to the type, and this is the, and we will stylize our anything here. So start it. First of all, what I have to do is that I just go to here in this file, and I just delete it, and just go to here, and there I need to just make a button here like that. These are the button. I just make a menu bar simply like that, and they just make their menu bar with their button, but I can make it with my ul and li. So I will make it with ul and li like the menu bar. So just go to here the ul, and I will add a class here, the filter, and this is the compulsory filter class. This class is the compulsory, and then just I want to add it here the four menu bar, and these are, and just go to the all for the all, and here you will need to add all the criteria here. I just take it here the red, I just take it here the blue, and I just take it here the black, and my work is almost done. And here I need to add a attribute here. Just go to here, and here this is the attribute called the data filter, and I need to just take it there data filter, and I just paste it here in everywhere where in the menu bar. And now I will edit it. This is the all, so I needed to edit it, so I just take it here. I just take it here also. Here is the, I just take the data filter. I just take here the red color. I as our data filter, I just take it here the blue color, and I also take a black black. Okay, this is the all. Here is okay. Now I just go to in the down below, and from the down below I just go to here, and I will take a container. This container is come from here. These are the container, and I just make it here from here. Just copy it from here, or I just make it from here by my own. Just go to here and take a div called the contain or the content mix. I just take it here the content mix, and I just go to here, go to the down, and is the div. So make it here. I just make a div called the class, and the class called mix, and this mix class is the compulsory, and I just take 4, 5, 6 class here. So okay, and now I will just stylize the menu over here. Just UL, under this UL go to the ULLI width. The width will be auto and the height also be auto, and just padding here, add a padding for the 10 pixels and the 15 pixels here, and I take a background called the red, and color it will be FFF. okay, and just make a float, it will be left. Okay, my task is almost done. Just go to here, and here these are the, and I will also just add a list ULLI. So I needed to do this because my task is done. Now I will go to here and I will just add the MixItUp here. Just go to the MixItUp here and I will stylize this MixItUp. So just add the MixItUp here, and the width will be 200 pixels, HEIGHT height will be 200 pixels, and the background, I needed to add a background here, a float, the float will be left. And here I will add some color here, the red color, RED, BSCKGROND, background will be red, the green, GREEN, and the blue, BLUE. I just take some default classes there, so the guys don't worry, I just add it as a default class so that I can just use it from here. So I just add here, copy it, and just take it here, paste it here, and just copy the class. I just take it to consume my time because I can't waste a lot of time here. So just copy it here, and I just take it here wherever I want, and you can guys also apply these rules here. So, and it will, it will be so easy. And now my task is done. Here it is, these are the here. I think that I need to just stylize this ULLI, which will be the 100%, and I just overflow it as the hidden. Okay, and that's all. Now here it is, these are the classes are here, but it doesn't work here. I need to add some script here. So just go to the down below and add a script here. Just add a script, script, and here it is, under this I need to add the script there. Just add a script, go to that, give a $sign, and under this $sign go to the dot, and just add this class there. Just add the class here, and here it is, just go to the MixItUp, type a class called the MixItUp, and your thing will be done. So just go to here and use it. And but it doesn't work because I think that I just make a mistake here to type the MixItUp. Just add the type like the mix, capital letter I, small letter T, capital letter U, small letter P, like that it will be work. And here you need to add another thing, is that just add a class here, stylize this class here also. You need to just stylize it. Just add a class here, the container, and under this, these are the classes are. Copy the mix and just add the mix here, and add a class property called display and make it the none. And now it will be work here. Here it is, these are the worker here, but guys, there have a problem is that I do not add any filter there everywhere. Just add a filter called the red color here, and add the red color. Blue color goes to the blue colors, and the black colors, that means I just take here the black color as the green. So just make it the green because I make a mistake here. And the green, make it the green, COLOR. Okay, and just take the green color here in the green, and add the red color, copy the red color here also, and add the blue color here from, just add the blue color here, and here is the green color. I just also copy the green color in wherever I want. And you can also add multiple filter in one. Suppose that I also add the blue color here, so that it will work here too in the blue color, and I just add a red color here too, so that it will not work. And now I just refresh it, and now it will work. And there it is, guys, these are working here, and whenever these are working, something like that, and it will be working here. And I just add a margin here for everything, I just go to here in the down and just add a margin here for everyone. A margin it will 0 and the 5 pixels. These are the margin will be here so that it will be marginal. These are, guys, my task is done. And don't worry guys, I will give you the project file in the description link, and you can download this file from here and you can check out this file. So that's it from me guys. If you just guys like this video, give a thumbs up under this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you, goodbye, see you soon, have a nice day.